guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. My name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil. I will be using 3 carrots. I will just take the back out, then the leftover, then I will grate it. Grading it, you have to be careful because you need sharp edges, like to grade it, to make it small. You can chop it a little like pieces, but I don't think that would be good idea. But this one is more better. The juice will come out with this kind of shredding, and you have to be careful when you are doing it not to injure your finger or your hand because it's very sharp object. You can use more than 3. You can use like how many you just want to use. This is my first time. I just want to try it if it's going to work out perfectly. So after shredding it, I will just take everything out, try to take everything out. Then I will place a pot in the gas. Use coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use olive oil, but today I'm going to be using coconut oil because I don't have olive oil. Then I will take a 2 spoons of coconut oil, turn on the gas. You have to lower the gas so that it will not be too hot. If it's too hot, the carrot oil will get burned like that. That will not be good idea. So as far I can make this, I will be making cold carrot oil. Please subscribe so that you don't miss that. So adding it to the pot, you don't have to leave beside the pot. You just have to stay there. Be turning it so that it will not get burned. For that not to get burned, you have to reduce your gas. Reduce it to the lowest level. Then from there, it will get steam. You don't have to leave it so long. When you see the oil is changing color to carrot color, then you have to bring it down. Let it cool down before you filter it. So now it's cooled down. I just have to take this wig net. So I have it before it's clean. I will just place everything inside, then drain the oil out. You have to press it nice so that the oil will be out. After you take the oil out, the leftover carrot, you can throw it away. You have to be careful so that the carrot will not go inside, and you have to use something that is very not too the hole is too wide. I believe you will understand what I'm saying. Then you press it and throw away the left carrot. You can see the color because the gas was not too hot. It was just okay. So if you do it like this, it's not going to get burned. Like this, I can use it for hair. I can use it, I can add it to my body lotion cream, or I can use it like this, my kids' hair, and I can even use it to fry egg. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye.